Thank you so much. Moving ahead, we now have Dr. M. Rajani, and she is the founder and chairman of Lakshyam Educare and Events Private Limited. To introduce her to you, she is a Bharata Shiksha Ratna awardee, and she has been born and brought up in Chennai. She started her career from a young age of 13 years only as a Hindi teacher. She knows more than 8 languages, so I think we can converse with everybody in here, in the room here, with some language that they know. And she learned this through the Chitra Gana from the DD channel in her childhood days. She has learned Carnatic music, classical dance, and all the musical instruments. And she's also won laurels for sports, NCC, art and culture apart from her academics. She was earning and studying on her own from class 8 onwards without burdening her parents. So as a founder and chairman of Lakshyam Educare and Event Private Limited, Lakshyam Academy IIT NEET, Lakshyam Educational Trust, Lakshyam Kids, Our Lakshyam, the magazine, is what she also runs. She has also authored 500 textbooks, workbooks, activity books, CDs, 300 thematic rhymes and poems, 100 journals and articles, 500 curriculum preschool and for the IIT. And let me tell you that her thematic poems was approved by the Guinness World Book of Records. And through her company, Lakshyam, she's spreading in 7 countries, 150 clientele base. She has more than 257 schools that they have promoted, 1 lakh teachers and 10 lakh students. So please welcome to the podium with a huge round of applause for Dr. M. Rajani.
Presentation. Namaste. Good evening, one and all. Knowledge speaks, but the wisdom listens. Because I'm an educationist, so the right topic is given, but wrongly. Violation on right to education. It must be violation on rights to women education. I'm here in front of you because of the education. As Swami Vivekananda said, education is the one which makes the person to stand on his own legs. It has a proven track record in my life because we are the 3 children, daughters, female daughters, and my mother got married in the year of 13 years. And she was a widow in 36 years. Within 20 years, she was the mother of 3 female kids. She never ever seen the outside world. After 36 years, she was the one who came out to the world, and she did courier, she did many jobs, she learned cycle. And my father, what he missed in 2001, thinking of the fear of how we are going to bring up these female kids, my mother did. And today, out of 77 achievers of Tamil Nadu, the book which has been Bhagya Varayidar, that is a weekly magazine, they produced, and there is a saying about my mother, and my name is there. I used to, because my father was very strict, like an army, he used to keep their very strict rules in the house. He never entertained men. Even my cousin brothers are not allowed inside the house. We used to do all the domestic jobs on our own, even if it is electric, plumbing, painting, car repairing, or radio transistor repairing, whatever it is, we will be the helpers when my father is doing. This is the way he brought up. Since I was doing my 8th standard onwards as a teacher, when I started my career, I started learning Hindi. That was the time when the national language, it has been introduced as a national language, Hindi. I used to take bank officials, adults education. After completing all these things, I used to involve in each and every education. You know, there is in Tamil, there is a good saying, Kalavam Katrumara. That means we should learn everything. Usually people will say the master of all, the jack of none. I wanted to break that record, you know. For every field, I have a proven track record of my achievement. Might be it is a small or big, whatever it is. So, after completing all my schooling and my teaching, I used to even do social service right from 1988 for hundreds of students, a free education as a evening schooling. For even adults also. Till today I am doing it. So I used to sit in the bathroom and I'll study, because by the time I complete all my work and I come to the home, by 9 o'clock, my father will say, switch off the light. The people who are studying good, 1 hour is enough. Where I am getting 1 hour? I am not getting it. So by the time I come home and complete all my job, my mother will be keeping some responsibility for 3 female kids. You have to do this, washing, clothing, something like that. So I have to complete by the time, it will be too late. So in this way I started studying, even sitting in the bathroom whole night. Till today when I was authoring my books, 500 textbooks, my night duty starts from 10 p.m. onwards. It goes up to 2 p.m., 2 a.m., 5 p.m. also, 5 a.m. also. I used to keep the clock off, because only Indians have the policy that by seeing the time, don't look at the time now, okay? Then you may feel like hungry. Looking at the time only, we feel like sleepy. Oh, 1 o'clock, we feel like sleepy. Oh, it's 12 o'clock, oh, feeling hungry. Only Indians' attitude is like that. So I never ever keep the clock. Even today, I never keep the clock in office, because I don't want to see the time. I complete the work and go to bed. Adhura kam nahi chalega. So I complete and then go to bed. So in this way, I was doing everything. It was really a success till today. I'm not even satisfied with what we are, because every day I wake up, I think that today it's a 0 for me. Then only I can able to achieve more and more and more. In this month, nearly 10 Women Achievers Award I got. And 10 magazines, including the media channels like Zee Tamil and Kumudam, Ananda Vigadan publishers, like Anicha Malar. So many magazines, they are producing me as my name as a Sadhanai Penmani, that is achiever woman. So why I would like to say you all these things, because the woman has the power. Like the previous people who are the speakers, the eminent speakers, they were telling about their life story. I can say that each and every woman, irrespective of any job, they are the achievers. Last week we conducted a program in Chennai. We honored the underprivileged women without education. Even my mother is an illiterate woman. She built up the house. In 2001, we lost all the properties, crores of properties. And in this tension only my father passed away. But being a mother, 36 years, what today I enjoy, after 36 years, what are the privileges she did not enjoy? Because she was being dominated by my father. She cannot sit equally with my father. He will not be able to take a glass of water for his own drinking, where my mother has to bring the glass of water to him. Then only he will drink. If we bring also, he will say, no, you don't bring. Because we are daughters, no? Iklota beta hai hum log. So, not allowed. I did not ask you, mother has to bring. Even when she was pregnant, she has to sit down. This is the treatment by my father to my mother. My father was a good father to the daughters, not to my mom. So in spite of all these things, she achieved 3 houses for all the women, daughters, 3 daughters with a good education, not only one education, and 3 daughters with car and everything. And last year she passed away. When she wanted to enjoy her life, she passed away. So why I am telling you my story is because the topic is right to education. Because we have each and every right in our life once you are educated. Education eliminates darkness, and it is called as 3L. That means lifelong learners. Right from the womb of the mother till the tomb, we are all learning. This, for sake of 10 years, I used to tell this during my workshop when I'm teaching for the teachers, principals and everyone. A recent video has proven that a small 8 months baby inside the womb of the mother, when the father and mother is clapping, the child started clapping inside. The YouTube channel is there for that as a proof. Both couples, they have proved it. So whatever is happening, and it is not just happening inside the school, inside the classroom. It happens everywhere. Today I look at her, the way how she dresses, the way how she combs her hair. I also follow her if I like. Yes, I have to cut there. It is a learning process. We used to say actually Jai Gurudev. The reason why, because it is a learning process takes place from the person whoever comes in front of us. That is the reason we say. So it is a learning process, lifelong learning process. It never ends with the school. Every day is a learning. Every day I make myself learning. I have hundreds of certificate courses which I have done, because as a teacher, we are not only creating the professions, we are also acting as a different professions. If we are not learning day by day what is happening in the society, then we are not a good teacher. Then we have been outdated. Like they will put an ISI mark, yes, expired. They cannot throw us out, but from the job they may throw. Only in the teaching profession, everything is possible, because we sing with the children, we dance with the children, we rhyme with the children, we teach them, we mingle with them, we sit down and do with a lot of activities. There are so many things. I'm really proud to be as a best teacher. Because of my hard work did not fail. It has yielded me the Bharat Siksha Ratna Award. And coming to this right to education, in that actually the free education, what I can say, there are nearly 10 points are there in the right to education. All the 10 points, according to me, what I can say is a little bit of failure, because it never happens everywhere. Government has put a lot of initiatives to make the people like Sarva Siksha Abhiyan and everything, but it's not happening till today. How many of you can say that, yes, your maid can able to read, write and put the signature at least? Can you able to say? I hope you all are having maids at home. How many of you can say, yes, my maid can? See the hands, only few. It's not happening. Why not we take the adult education? See, I was an education partner and ambassador of change in City Montessori group of schools at Lucknow. It is one of the best school in India, having 64 branches in the same place. I wrote about the dream, which will make the people to read, write and speak. Already they are speaking the vernacular languages. It made the person to read and write in 15 days. Even a single day they can read. It is a correlation of pictures to words. So in that way, it is a successful one. I authored for Tamil. And today my project is also going on for the historical things, translation work. Like many things I am doing in that. So I really wanted to take a oath for as a woman that we have to educate not only as a teacher in a school, as a woman in the society. We need to educate each and every person who are around us. You have so many people, doodh wala hai, vegetable vendors are there, florists are there, at least 5 people are illiterate around you, whom you know, who are working for you. They are daily giving and selling things to you. At least you can educate. That is the concept of the dream. Right to education starts from here. Because, as Mahatma Gandhi said, if you educate a man, only your family is educated. If you educate a woman, the whole society is educated. Do you all agree or not? I'm seeing the change and transformation, the knowledge sharing, what I'm doing to the next generation. History should speak about every woman because they are all real achievers. They are deserved. It never comes only with an education, the courage, what makes them to stand in front of them. This is where it's addressed. So the right to education, compulsory free education is there, but I am not seeing anything because the KG admission itself, 13 lakhs of donation. Every point there, it's a violation only. Every point, everywhere. I even recommended when I was a senior principal and dean in Velamal and Sahodaya cluster as a treasurer, by over the phone, I recommended madam's daughter will come, son and will come, please give the admission. They did. For my son, again, I paid 3 lakhs because at that time I am an entrepreneur. Isn't it? Then next, minimum standards. Where is the standard of things happening? Minimum standards, you can see even an educated people, most of the people, those who are in the same Hindi medium or Telugu medium or whatever be the medium, they cannot able to write in the same a single letter properly. Like this only the letters will come from the teachers, because I was working with the thousands teachers, because 180 branches of Ravindra Bharati schools in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana where I have promoted and created, where they are using my curriculum. Similarly, the Velamal, the senior principal and dean, totally all over Tamil Nadu I was taking care. The leave letters will come. I am going to take a leave because I am going to sell my land along with my wife. Wake, arise till the goal is achieved. As Vivekananda said, we have to do it because it's very difficult to overcome with the violation. Each one, teach one is the concept what I would like to tell you. There is a small thing which I would like to take initiative, because with this only we can able to do more many things. You just hold your hands of the nearby person, then only the positive vibration will pass on. Even without touching the people, the positive vibration will be going on, you know. There was a king, you hold it for some time so that the vibration will pass. There was a king, he used to go for rounds to the kingdom and to know that what's happening, what people are thinking about us. So everywhere he went, everybody was praising the king, wow, very nice, very nice. And at last he went to one place, the woodcutter, and he was unable to control, he feels like going and killing him with the sword. He could not able, he did not even see the king. He did not even listen what he was thinking, but he was there. He could not able to find out why the feeling of killing him, unless he did anything to us, why I feel. So he went and called the ministers and asked why you are doing, why I was thinking like that to kill that man particularly. Then the ministers was ordered go and find out the reason. By that time what happened, the darbar has got fire, met with a fire accident. All the doors, windows of the wooden things have got damaged, and he asked to replace it quickly. So the replacement was going on. Then the next turn when he was going to the same side and the same woodcutter place, this time he feels that as if he want to go and hug the person, and he is such a beloved person, like that he is feeling. Then he remembered, last time when I met him, I felt that he wanted to kill him. So again he called the ministers and find what is the reason this time, why this variation. Then the minister said at that time he was keeping a new shop. Since it was a sandalwood, he was thinking when the king will go away, when kab marenge, then the sandalwood will be sold out because a normal citizen cannot buy sandalwood. So because of that he wanted to kill. When he will die, he was waiting for that. The next time when he was going, already because of the fire accident, all his sandalwoods have been sold out. So he was very happy. He is praising the king. Since he is praising in his heart, he feels everybody that the king feels that is as if his friend. So the vibrations, the negative vibrations, what we have inside will always reflect with others. The moment you touch, it will be double. So that's why please hold it. Only one exercises. As an oath, I would like you to do it. Please rise up like this and hold it. Yeah. Each one teach one every day. Please repeat. To keep my country literate. Each one teach one everywhere. To transform the world as an icon of woman. Only we have the power of changing the world. Thank you. I hope you will do this. And only, now you have taken the oath. There is a saying, the moment you decided, you are successful one. Whether success comes on your way or not, that is too far. Am I right? So now you have decided that you wanted to teach each one in your life. Whoever come across an illiterate person, they will say your name. In their history, your name will be there. So where there is Lakshyam, there is success. Accept the change for the betterment. One simple announcement I would like to give you. I started my career as a Hindi teacher with 350 rupees as my part-time salary. By the time I came out from Velamal, my salary was 3 lakhs per month. Now within 3 years of my company, where I achieved is, every year I am donating 3 lakhs to the ashram for the purpose of education. This is a real achievement I feel. But still more are there, because last week I got an opportunity to tie up with the European government. The president has come and we had an MOU to send 100 peoples across India for the free education. The students who have passed out 12th, really downtrodden, or the students who are doing very tremendously well in the academic part, can be sent to Europe for their UG, PG and also job if they wanted to continue there. Flight charges, visa, everything is free. The other one opportunity for 2,000 crores. Every downtrodden village, an urban development area, we have a project which is coming up, the next project, for the sake of education. 50 students can be given free education. It can be, yeah, you can clap, 2,000 crores. It can be, because if we purchase the land, it will be a stagnant investment. I think the real estate wala who was speaking earlier, madam knows about that. So the schools who are running already, if they are tying up with us, the funds will be allotted. 50 students compulsory free education in every state. This is the upcoming project coming up. Probably this will be ending up with by this month end, this year 2019 it will start. Now the project is going on. With all your support and blessings, I hope still more we have to do and we have to rock. Of course, all the women's, whoever here for this convention, I really wholeheartedly pray with wisdom, peace, happiness, health, wealth, you are going to rock in future too. Today, 3 o'clock, I woke up and came. I lost my flight because of 2 minutes delay. Again 5,000 I paid. I came in the flight of 6:45. I hope still I am with the same energy. Are you thinking that I am energetic? Thank you. With the same energy, whenever you wanted to do something, it gives you an energy. Every woman has got the energy. Even the kind of calories what you have, we have less than a man, but we do more than a man. So wish you all a good luck, and thank you for the organizers for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to India's first corporate news channel. We invite interviews, articles, press releases from your organization. Visit our portal www.indianconventions.com. Thank you.